Summer is here in full swing. And you know what that means? It's time to beat the heat with something fizzy, fruity, and fabulous. We are making two bold and brilliant soda recipes. Mango chili soda, that's spicy and tangy with a tropical twist, and another that's cooling, minty, and a total classic, lemon mint soda. Now let's dive into these super cool, super easy soda recipes. Let's kick things off with the mango chili soda. First, take a fresh green chili and slit it down the middle. Don't cut it completely, we just want to release that spicy aroma. Now in a glass, pour in chilled mango juice. Add a pinch of chili flakes and a dash of rock salt. Now give it a good mix. Top it up with unsweetened soda. Watch that fizz. It's pure summer magic. And now for the showstopper, place your slit green chili right on the rim. It's bold, it's beautiful, and trust me, it packs a punch. Next up is lemon mint soda. In a steel glass, drop in a few lemon pieces and fresh mint leaves. Save some mint for garnish later. Now add a spoon of sugar and a pinch of salt for that classic sweet-salty balance. Now take a pestle and gently crush everything until the juices are released and the mint is nice and aromatic. Next, pour the lemon mint mix into a serving glass. Add lots of crushed ice, a few extra mint leaves for that fresh look. Now top it off with soda and garnished with mint and lemon wedges. Serve chilled and sip your way into summer bliss. So whether you're in the mood for something spicy or something minty, these sodas have got you covered. Try them out, share them with friends, and most importantly, stay cool. For more such easy recipes, like, share, and subscribe to Times Foodie.